welcome back to my channel. And today I thought I would try my hand at chaffles. So this is going to be a high protein, low carb breakfast. And the chaffle is basically egg and cheese. However, after going through YouTube University, I found some ingredients that I could add to it to give it some rigidity or firmness, and so that it would also not taste so eggy. So from this chaffle, I'm going to end up making a sandwich from it. So you're going to need a waffle maker. I have one here. It's been heating up. In my bowl, I have 2 eggs. Then I grated up some cheese. I grated up some Parmesan cheese and some pepper jack cheese to put into the egg mixture. To my eggs, I'm going to add in, they said almond flour, but I don't have almond flour. I have this, I believe it's oat flour, but I'm not going to put that much in. I don't even know if it's oat flour. You can see I did not mark this, but I know it's some type of nut flour. So to the mixture, I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of my nut flour. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a heaping spoon. Then I'm going to add about an 1/8 teaspoon of xanthum gum. I'm also going to do an 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Now to add in the seasoning of your choice. So I have some no salt seasoning I'm going to put in here. I have mustard powder that I'm going to add in. No measurement to this, guys. And just a smidgen of chili flakes, red chili flakes. Now I'm going to add in some Parmesan cheese and some of my pepper jack. And that's about a 1/4 cup of pepper jack and 1/8 cup of Parmesan cheese. So now I'm going to mix this up. Now it's time to prepare the chaffle. Now while this cooking, what I'll be adding to my sandwich is I've prepared some bacon. I'm going to put cream cheese on the chaffle, bacon, tomato, and a few slices of avocado. Okay, so the waffle maker is supposed to be ready now. Ooh, can you see that? Now, my plan is, since this is a large one, I'm gonna cut it down the middle. So from my understanding, now I need to let it sit for a little bit, and as it sits just a few minutes, it will continue to crisp up and get firmer. This is my first time doing this, everyone. So I thought I would bring a video on this, and that way you can try it out for yourself. I will be leaving the information, the ingredients, in the description area below. It's been a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. So now I have 2 halves. This is a larger waffle maker. The ones I've seen on YouTube, I guess they use one that's called Dash or a mini waffle maker. I'm not getting ready to buy that just to make this. That's why I use 2 eggs, because it's a bigger waffle maker, and that way I can just use the 2 halves to make a sandwich. So now it's time for me to add my cream cheese. If you don't like cream cheese, then you can try perhaps mayonnaise with no sugar, or butter, or nothing. Next, I'm going to add in, or add on top, some tomatoes. Then I'm going to layer on my bacon. I will top off with some avocado. Now I'm going to top off with a little bit of salt. I didn't put any salt in my egg mixture. Okay, everyone, this is the final result of my Chaffle, my high protein, low carb breakfast. I hope you try this out. Let me know if you like it. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, like the video, share the video if you would like, leave a comment, send me some love, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.